about to tell you is true. I'm not hiding anything to save the innocent. But these coons that keep breaking into our outdoor kitchen are getting on my last nerve. I put this door up not too long ago in an effort to deter the coons from coming inside. They've been tearing up our shelves. They've been eating our bread. They've been breaking all of our mason jars. They've been pouring flour all over the ground. I mean, these guys are relentless. And yeah, coons are cute, right? Coons are fun to watch. But I'm gonna tell you what, if you have an outdoor kitchen and you got food in there and you don't have it totally sealed up, it is no different than a chicken coop. And so what I've got to do is I've got to figure out how to get this thing closed in, because I'm tired of it, and we got to have this done before nightfall. Now this side is unfinished, and I had a gap over there where that sheet of plywood is. I put that sheet of plywood up there and hoped that they wouldn't get in. Okay, it saved us for about another 2 or 3 nights, and then guess what? Up there I have wires stretched across from front to back, and I got a board up there. They discovered those openings, and so what they were doing is they were shimming up the corners and climbing up there and then inside. I had this ladder sitting out here for a little while, and then they discovered they could climb up the ladder and then climb up in there through the rafters. Well, that is going to end today. I've got one more spot over here on this end, and I've got to get that closed in. They will climb up the corner of that pole barn until they get to the top, and then they'll enter through that portal right there. Another point of interest is where this old ice bin is sitting here. Climbing, jumping up, and maybe grabbing a hold of that and climbing up through the rafters there. I bought 3 sheets of OSB. They were $13.99 a sheet. I got 3 of them. Got them with my veterans discount too, 10% off. I've got my measuring tape. I got a skill saw. I need to cut this up to match the eaves, 20 inches, 16 and a half, whatever it is. But this OSB is what's going up, and it's going to plug those holes. I'll get my measurement. Cut that about 19 inches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure my 19 inches. I'm going to hold that right on the edge of the plywood, and my marking utensil on the end of the tape, and I'm just going to start drawing a line all the way down. And since I don't have any sawhorses, just lay me down a couple of blocks right there to raise it up a little bit. Nothing I'd be afraid to cut into for sure. Just line the blade up. Rock and roll. You can see that light coming in all through along the top edge of where that roof sits over top of the pole barn. You know, these guys have been I mean, it's relentless every night. It's kind of getting like, what'd they get into today when they got in last night, right? You know, the flour and everything up there on top of the shelves. I mean, Tammy's even gone as far as to, you know, take the flour inside the RV. I've got all these openings that I need to get closed off, but that'll happen when I get the boards up there. And then there won't be no other way they can get in from up there. If they coming in some other way, I mean, Tammy didn't name him Houdini for nothing. If I don't get this done by tonight, them coons are gonna be back here in the morning. Boy, am I gonna catch them. 17 3/4. Huh. I owe it to Tammy after all we've been through in this kitchen to get them eaves up there and get them closed in. I'm just about as tired of them coons as she is.
You have egg all over the side of your
I have eggs.
Yeah.
I had eggs for lunch today.
They're all in his beard.
Yeah. Anyway, I've got the boards cut. I'm getting ready to hike these up here. And you can't see what these are, but these are 10-foot 1-bys. And Tammy's going to be situating those up underneath of the boards as I get them pushed up in the air before my arms turn to mush.
Turn to jello.
Yeah, it could get a little noisy around here. Yeah, a little hollering might go in there in between too. So, but we're going to go ahead and get this up there and get started. All right, Tammy knows what she's doing because she's had to do it already.
Times before.
So hopefully these next couple of boards going up are going to go up a little easier.
Hopefully.
You gotta hold it now. You're not going at an angle that's gonna hold it, hon, because you're going that way. That ain't gonna cut it. Okay, all I got to do is that end and this side's done. We get it up, my arms are mush. You got that pushed up?
Yeah.
Okay.
As far as I know, it's not going to go anywhere.
You're gonna have to push a little bit more, wedge it some more. Come get this other side and get it wedged up. I gotta let go. And I'm gonna have to measure and cut that in too. It don't look like I'm gonna get much done without that screw gun, honey. You're gonna have to move your board. Now you can put it back. I dropped the screw. Dog it. One more board. Okay. Now that is now one sealed off outdoor homestead kitchen. Well, Tammy, what do you think of your new sealed in kitchen?
Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited that I don't have to come out here another morning and find something else broke or chewed into. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper.
Yeah.
I'm tired though. Them boards is heavy.
Yeah, we do what we can do when we can do it, guys.
Yeah.
It took a while to come up with the OSB, but finally got it and finally got this thing sealed in.
Yes,
now all I gotta do is get T111, finish dressing it out and get it trimmed, and we can paint it.
We can paint.
That's probably gonna be another month or two.
Yeah, it'll be a while before we get it painted.
Yeah, the coons came first. My boat follows behind. So
Yeah.
there you go. There went another gallon of fiberglass resin.
Yeah.
But
Just
that's
one
it.
thing after another. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
And I made it before dark. How about
yes.
that?
Yes, it is not dark and it's little past dinner, supper time. But we're gonna make it.
Yeah,
We're gonna
we'll
make
be all right. That's one more homestead project I ain't got to worry about no
Right. Thank you.
more.
Oh,
Ooh, I got a kiss for that one, didn't I?
Thank you.
All right.